Part 62 of Chapter 3. Jalal was once standing at the edge of the moat around the city of Konya when a company of students, undergraduates, of one of the colleges in the neighborhood, seeing him, agreed to try him by asking the question, of what color was the dog of the seven sleepers? Jalal's immediate, unpremeditated answer was yellow. A lover is always yellow, Cello, as am I, and that dog was a lover. The students bowed to him, and all became disciples. Well, you see, that's more of a phrase than whatever. But you know, golden retrievers are a fair enough of a dog if you want something to announce that something is amiss, because that's what the dog was. The sleepers mentioned in Surah 18. However many sleepers there were, the fact is that you know, there was a dog that they brought into the cave, and probably to announce that something was amiss and coming their way. You know,